Looking to invest in a cryptocurrency but don't know where to start? With so many options out there, it can be tough to know where to put your money. Here are some tips for finding the best cryptocurrency to invest in. First, do your research. Before investing in any cryptocurrency, take the time to learn everything you can about it. What is its technology like? Who are its developers? What is its market cap? Once you've done your research, look for cryptocurrencies with a strong track record. This means looking for cryptocurrencies that have been around for a while and have a solid history of price growth. You'll also want to pay attention to the market in general. Look for cryptocurrencies that are in high demand and have a lot of trading volume. However, don't forget about the potential risks. Cryptocurrencies can be volatile and unpredictable, so it's important to be aware of the potential downsides of any investment. Lastly, consider talking to a financial expert before investing. They can help you understand the risks and benefits of different cryptocurrencies and make an informed decision. Investing in cryptocurrency can be a great way to diversify your portfolio, but it's important to do so wisely. Do your research, look for a strong track record, and be aware of potential risks. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more financial tips.